Hello, store owners. By default, when a wholesale customer doesn't meet your minimum order requirements, they can still check out. They just pay retail prices instead. Today, I'll show you a wholesale prices premium feature that goes one step further and blocks the purchase completely until your wholesale conditions are met. There are two quick steps: setting the minimum order requirements and turning on purchase prevention for the role. First, the minimums. I'll head into my wholesale settings, which opens on the General tab. Scrolling down to order requirements, I'll set the default minimum order quantity to 10 units. Right below it, you can also set a minimum order subtotal, calculated using wholesale prices, not retail, and choose whether customers must satisfy both rules or just one of them. Now I'll hit Save Changes. Step 2, Lives on the Wholesale Roles page. I'll hover over my wholesale customer role and click Edit. Down in the role settings, here's the checkbox that does the magic: Prevent purchase if wholesale condition is not met. I'll tick it, then save the role with Edit Wholesale Role. From now on, this role simply can't check out below the minimums. And because it's per role, my other roles stay unrestricted. Now, let's see what the customer experiences. I'll log in as one of my wholesale customers and open the bomber jacket product page. My minimum is 10 units, but I'll add just one to my cart to see what happens. Let's head to the cart. And there's the block in action. The notice tells me I haven't met the minimum order quantity of 10. My prices have stayed at retail, and the checkout button is gone entirely. All this customer can do is adjust their order until the wholesale conditions are met. And that's how you prevent purchases when wholesale conditions aren't met. Remember, it needs wholesale prices premium. You can set minimums per product too, and you can even override the requirements for individual customers from their user profiles. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.